What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Which element has the chemical symbol O? Oxygen. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. Which organ in the human body is responsible for pumping blood? The heart. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the most spoken language in the world? English. Which insect is known for producing honey? Bee. What is the freezing point of water in degrees Celsius? 0 degrees. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? Mango. How many continents are there in the world? 7. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Pacific Ocean. What color are the stars on the American flag? White. What is the boiling point of water in degrees Celsius? 100 degrees. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? Dove. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. What is the name of the longest river in the world? The Nile. How many bones are there in the human body? 206 bones. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? France. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Tinker Bell. Which metal is known to be liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? Nitrogen. Which vegetable is known to help you see in the dark? Carrot. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.